Today, I'm going to be sharing with you courses that I think are worth your coin so that you don't end up wasting so much money on courses, buying courses, and then at the end of the day, it's like you cannot take the courses or you don't understand them or the courses are just so overwhelming. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo and I am currently teaching myself how to code and also sharing my journey with you guys. If you're interested in all of that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also if this video ends up being helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about courses that you should pay for that have benefited me. When I took the courses, I felt like I really liked them and they were worth my coins. So the first course on my list is Angela Yu's full stack course. So this course contains HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It contains Bootstrap. It also contains backend, like all these Node. Although I'm not into backend anyway, so I don't really know what backend entails, but it contains everything you need to know about front end, back end. It also has Web3, it also has React. Guys, a course that serves you all these courses for a very cheap amount. I think I was on sales when I bought it. I think I paid like 9,000 or 10k. I can't remember, but I know very well that I was not up to 15,000 when I bought the course, and it has all these things. Guys, it is a steal. So if you are looking for any course that you want to use to learn how to code, don't walk, run. Make sure you run and go and buy Angela Yu's course, because she's very good at teaching, and also she has everything. I feel like Angela Yu's course is really underrated, to be honest, and she's a very good teacher. She calms down to teach you. If you can listen very well and you can take notes, you are definitely going to understand her. One thing about Angela Yu is that when you're taking her courses and maybe you're not in a good space of head at that point in time when you're taking it, you can always come back, and then if you calm down, you will understand. Unlike other tutors, there are some tutors that they explain something to you and you don't understand it the first time. Doesn't matter how hard you try to listen to them, well, you'll not understand. But I feel like if you can really take your time and be patient, you will understand. She's a great teacher. Angela Yu is a great teacher. So definitely check out her course. So why do I like her course? First of all, it is full stack, meaning that you don't need to buy more than one course to learn coding, like the full building a fully functional web application or website. It is both front end and back end. So I feel like if you can take her course and then go and maybe build projects, then you'll be a good developer. Her course is very good. The second reason why I like it is because it is well structured. For example, you're going from front end to back end. If you also check the JavaScript course, you see there's beginner JavaScript, there's intermediate, there's advanced. So let's say me now, I've learned beginner JavaScript before. I just want to progress. I can just go straight into the advanced, and then I'm going to continue from there. So it is very good for beginners, advanced learner, wherever you are in your development journey. Another reason why I love Angela Yu's course is that you will do assignments. You are going to do assignments, and if you actually take your time to do our assignments and you understand them, you will feel powerful. There was one assignment like that she gave, one BMI assignment when I just started doing. I think I took her maybe JavaScript course again. Guys, when I was able to do that assignment thing, I felt like a mini goddess. I feel like a goddess. Like, it just makes you feel like, okay, I can use my brain to, solve this problem. I think that is one of the things that I really like about our courses. You get to solve problems, and then after you finish solving the problem, she will give you solutions to what you have just solved. So even if you're unable to solve the problems, you can always get solution, and then you can go back to it and take the assignment again. Just try it on your own, whatever. If you're a serious person, you will do that anyway. And also, you don't need to have previous experience in coding. You can be a complete beginner, and then you will just learn how to code from scratch from Angela Yu. She's that good. So make sure to check her out. I'm going to leave a link to her course in the description box. Where can you get Angela Yu's course? You can get Angela Yu's course on Udemy. Honestly, especially if you're on a budget or you're in somewhere like Nigeria, let's be honest, the average person cannot spend like 50k to buy one course. If you are being very, very honest, it's a lot of money, you know. So what I would advise you to do is that you should wait for sales. So when they're on sales, you see courses that normally go for 50k, they can go for as low as 10k, 8k, very, very affordable in my opinion, unless you're not serious, you know. So in my opinion, just wait for sales and then buy your courses. Another way is to open a new account, and then you are going to just pay for the courses. The courses are always cheaper when you open a new account. The whole essence of buying this course is to make yourself better at what you do. So please don't just buy the course and leave it there. Make sure you practice. The second course is from SheCodes. I don't know, I feel like I need to make a separate video on SheCodes, just to make a review about SheCodes, because SheCodes really, really helps me to feel a little more confident as a developer. SheCodes is for women. You can either start with the free course, or you can just go straight and buy the entire boot camp. I think it's about $1,000 plus, but in November there's going to be a slash price. You can get 30% off the entire SheCodes front end, whatever you're buying. Maybe you're buying front end, or you're buying the boot camp, or you're buying only HTML, whatever you're buying, just check the description box to get my link for 30% off during this November. There's going to be a Black Friday in this November, so definitely check them out. And SheCodes is excellent, to be honest. If you don't know if you should go ahead and use SheCodes, you should maybe try their free course. Maybe you can apply for their scholarship. And there's something I want to say about SheCodes. Yes, SheCodes is for women. So if you're a man, I'm sorry, then SheCodes is not for you. SheCodes is for women. It was specifically built for women. So make sure you check SheCodes out if you're a woman. And also for women in developing countries, you can get SheCodes for free. Also make sure to check my description box for a link to learn from SheCodes for free. Why do I like SheCodes? I like SheCodes because of their colorful website. Like I said, it's for women, and it has, you know, pink colors, you know, these attractive colors that will even make you feel like you're learning something. Like, it will make you feel like learning when you see the colors. It's very, very girly. Also, I like the fact that the courses are paced week by week, so that you don't feel overwhelmed. For example, now in week 1 they can introduce you to something. And another thing I like about the weekly courses is that, let's say you are very, very serious, you can finish a course that is meant for 1 week. You can finish it in 1 day if you sit down with it from morning till night. Do your graded assignments. The videos are very, very short, and they are very, very explanatory. So it's just about you being able to dedicate time. And let's say, okay, you want to do your 1 week course in 1 week, you can just take maybe 1 hour today, 1 hour tomorrow. I don't know, before you know what's happening, you're done with the 1 week course, and then you even have time to rest. And if you have time to finish everything at once, you can still do it. So SheCodes is very, very well paced, especially for busy people. It is excellent. I'm telling you, it is excellent. Another thing I like about SheCodes is the graded assignment. So they will always give you assignments, just like Angela Yu's course, but for SheCodes you will get to submit your assignment, and then it's almost like you're sending it to them, and then they will grade it and return it to you. So if you pass, they'll tell you passed. If you don't pass, they tell you that you should try again. And there's also like there's always solution to their assignment. So if you get it wrong, then you just go back and try again. There's nothing like, okay, you failed and then that's the end of it. No, if you fail, you try again, and then you get better at what you're doing. Another thing that I like about SheCodes is that Matt Dillak, that's the creator of SheCodes, he teaches you all these like nice VS Code shortcuts. Like, for example, before I did not know that you can use just that exclamation mark and tab to write your starting HTML code. It was from SheCodes that I learned that. So imagine all those like small things that will make your life better, they will teach you. So guys, SheCodes is very, very sweet. So if you can afford to pay for that kind of thing, then don't forget to check my description to get money off your purchase with SheCodes. SheCodes is very, very good, and it is perfect for beginners. Another course that I would recommend for beginners as well, though this one is not for complete beginners, but let's say you know some parts of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you just have the basics with you, then it is the 100 Days of JavaScript by Xenotrust. So this course has 100 projects, and it's going to teach you basic projects like counter app, all these small things, and then you're going to advance, and advance. I think I'm currently on day 11. I'm building this navigation website. So what I'm doing right now is that I've already watched what he did. I was coding along with him, and now I'm trying to build my own by myself, and I'm actually making progress. This is what I'm saying, that you can finish taking the tutorials. If you like, spend the whole of your time taking tutorials. If you don't practice, then all your learning is zero. So that's what this 100 days of JavaScript is for. You get to practice and build a lot of projects. Imagine that, even let's say you started as somebody that just knew like the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then you take this 100 days of code. By the time you are done, there's no way you want to tell me that you are not better off. See, you think JavaScript is more. JavaScript is plenty. The more you go deep into JavaScript, the more you be like, God, what am I doing? Do I really know what I'm doing? So yes, this guy is going to introduce you to a lot of things in JavaScript, both things I maybe you did not know before, and then you go and learn it again, and then you now come back. Whatever you need to do, just do it. You need to put your soul into learning, and learning good, and that is what I'm doing as well. So I'm just sharing my journey with you guys. For Zeno Trust 100 days of JavaScript, it's on Udemy, and you can get it while it's on sale for less than 15,000, very, very cheap, so that you guys can learn better and faster. So don't forget to check description box as well for a direct link to this course. I'm going to put it there. I feel like these courses are great for beginners. They are going to be very, very helpful for you. So make sure you try them out, or if you have tried them out before, let me know in the comment section. What do you think about them? Do you think they are good or not? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.